Okay, so going in today, guys, honestly, it's not looking good, I'm gonna be honest. We don't really have any clear draws to me, to be honest. The only clear draw was this LRLR, but it literally just got swept right there. So if you took this higher time frame inversion, you're a beast, bro. This was actually a really good trade. Enter off this hourly right here. But obviously, I don't really trade pre-market, like I've said before. You just wait for open. So that kind of sucks that this LRLR already got swept, but it makes me lean a little more bullish because we just took so much liquidity here that we might use that as fuel to go higher. We have this huge hourly gap right here though, which might stop it in its tracks though, which kind of sucks, but we'll at least go to here because this hourly gap has not been touched yet. It hasn't been filled. And as you know, each fair value gap always gets filled eventually. And technically, this would be a protected low too. This is also a 3 candle draw right here. But those are like concepts I can make more videos about. But yeah, this is technically a protected low, so it might be hard for price to go back to this low because it swept this low inside this fair value gap. That's pretty much what a protected low is. And it won't go lower until we sweep more liquidity up here. So we also have to know that it's Thursday and we have a lot of FOMC speakers today. So it's probably going to make price pretty choppy, pretty bad. So that's unfortunate. And it's also NFP tomorrow. So usually when you're trading a day before a big news event like NFP or CPI, conditions are always pretty bad. So honestly, I'm not married to a bias, to be honest. We're just going to play what we see. And yeah, market's in 5 minutes. So let's go. All right, market open in about 10 seconds. I honestly wonder which way we're going to go. We're also way low in discount too. So that means we usually want to look for buys or longs. So let's see what happens here at open. Looks like we're dumping. Maybe. Also might be a bad open though. What is right here? Oh, there's a 5-minute BPR right here too. Let's see the reaction out of this. BPR is just a balanced price range. It's just like a fair value gap inside a fair value gap right here. And it's a really hard roadblock for price to go back. See like how it rejects like right off of right there. So honestly, that could be a bullish sign. Delivering off the 5-minute BPR. We still have this hourly inversion that hasn't been filled yet. So maybe that could be a profit target potentially. Oop, right here. But let's see. Not a very clean IFVG setup. Except the 5-minute, but we probably won't get it on the 5-minute. Maybe this. Potentially if we get it. Is there a 30-second? Oh, there's 30-second right here. Alright, I'm entering this, honestly. Okay, so this is 30-second here, but I don't know if I honestly really like this, to be honest. I think I'm gonna wait a bit. What's the stop loss here? I really don't know. The problem here with this trade is like, yeah, stop is like pretty big. But all right, I'm gonna get in this. All right, boys, we're in this. We're just gonna target the hourly inversion right here. We're in this. I mean, stop right here at the swing low. We're just gonna target the hourly inversion, like I said, which is at 3349. So 3349, just right here. And then we're gonna add our sell limit there, because that's just our 1-to-1. I'll probably go break even, like right here, yeah. But hopefully this trade will just go rip right off open. I mean, this is pretty V-shaped, so we'll see. All right, break even here. Risk-free trade. Hopefully we just smash TP right here. We should just tap into this hourly inversion. I'd honestly be really surprised if we don't and go all the way back to our entry, but we'll see. Nice. All right, all out there, boys. Wow, that was a really fast trade. I mean, honestly, I'll be honest, boys. I hesitated on that a little bit because I've had problems when trading on the 30-second in the past where I always just get wrecked on it because, like, obviously the 30-second isn't as better of a confirmation than it is the higher time frames, like the 1, the 3, the 5, even the 2-minute. But like, this is just V shape off open. I mean, we're delivering out of the 5-minute BPR2. Here, let me show it on NQ. Like, we're delivering off the 5-minute BPR2, and as soon as like I just see this reaction right here, like this is bullish. We're in discount too, so I mean, I really gotta work on that hesitation. I don't know why I hesitated, to be honest, because this is statistically it should work 80% of the time. And yeah, I guess we did have this hourly, but yeah, I mean, I guess we're done. Like, it hasn't been even 5 minutes into the open yet. I'm gonna be posting some videos later, so yeah, peace out, boys.